So in our previous video about division, we did 2 by 2. Now you're not going to see 2 by 2 a lot, but 2 by 2 is really the basis of what you're going to see going forward in 4th and 5th grade and then beyond, of course. So let's take a look into it a little bit deeper. All right. So last time we did 2 by 2, which of course you're not going to see a whole lot of. So this time we're going to do 3 by 2, and we're just going to leave it at 3 by 2. So for now. So let's say we have 12 into 386. And now I don't know if this goes evenly. I kind of doubt it. But let's see what we can do here. All right. So our first thing, 12 into 38. So how many times is 12 going to 38? Well, 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. And 12 times 4 is 48. 48 is too much, so it can only go 3 times. 3 times. So 3 times 12 is 36. Now we subtract. And 38 minus 36 is 2. Then we bring down your 6. Okay, so once again, we do 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 36 is too big, so we have to take that 1 away. So 12 times 2 will give us 12 times 2 will give us 24. And 26 minus 24 is 2. Now we know we're finished because there's no more numbers here to bring down. So we put an R for remainder 2. And that's our final answer. So the way we read this is 386 divided by 12 is 32 remainder 2. And like I showed you in the last video, if you want to check that, we do 32 times 12 384, and then we add your remainder, so plus 2 is 386. And that's what we got right there under the house, so we know we're right. Alright, maybe this will help me to write a little straighter. Okay, so now we're going to do one that we're not so familiar with. So let's do 15. Still not a huge number. Divide it into 635. Now it might go evenly. I don't know. But here's what I would do. Here's just a little tip from Mr. Beatty. So let's start with 1 times 15. And 1 times 15 is obviously 15. 1 times any number is that bigger number. So 2 times 15, if we add 15 to 15, we get 30. 3 times 15 is 45. 4 times 15 is 60. And 5 times 15 is 75. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, when you saw 4 times 15 was 60, I would say to myself, 60 is really close to 63. So chances are it's a 4. And it is a 4 because, see, 5 times 15 is 75. And 75 is bigger than 63. So it's a 4 because it's got to be less than 63. Four times 15 is 60. 63 minus 60 is 3. We bring down your 5. Now, 15 goes into 35 2 times. Because 3 times would be bigger. 45 is bigger than 35. We can't do that. So it only goes 2 times. 2 times 15 is 30. And we have a 5 left over. We don't have any more numbers to bring down. So that's our... What do we call that? We call that our remainder. So we put an R5. And that's our final answer. 635 divided by 15 is 42 remainder 5. And again, if we want to multiply 42 times 15 equals whatever plus 5, then as long as this answer equals what we have right here, we know we got it right. Alright. So, I guarantee you the best way to learn this 3/2 division is to practice. If you don't practice, I promise you it's going to be difficult. And you're going to do 3/2 division forever. Pretty soon you're going to be doing 4/2, 5/2, perhaps even 6/2. For my 6th graders, I'm talking to you. But for my 5th graders, you'll do it in 5th grade too. Probably even 4th grade. So, until next time, guys, keep practicing. Keep working on your multiplication tables. And I'll see you next time. Peace.